Alright, it's another day, and we're going out to Sand Hollow today. Going to, I think we're going to do Milt's Mild Lite. It's only not a super tough trail, rated 4, so it shouldn't be super tough, but it should be fun. Just gotta get everything packed up and get going. Made it to Sand Hollow. We usually try and go in the water tank road, but they got the parking lot up there closed, so we just kind of went in this other way. And we're gonna gear down and get ready. Yeah, so actually, according to the map, the trail goes that way.
Like back down there and up that way, or this way?
Across that way, I think. That way more.
Jeeps are heating up a little bit in this 100-degree weather.
It's fine, it's gonna go through, it's kind of a...
Yeah, I'm climbing though. I'm saying I'm gonna come down.
It's going down, it's going down.
I think that's just fender. Your left front's about to drop in a hole.
Should I back up?
Maybe a little bit. Yeah, turn it straight and back up straight.
Right there?
Yeah. Keep going. Right there. And now hard. Right. Hard. Okay.
Hard.
Right there. Okay. That's good. Yep. Straighten out slightly right there. Okay. Rear's about to come down. Slow. Okay. Good. Come a little bit this way. Okay. Slowly, your front's about to come off of this. Now turn driver. And you may want to go over here because I don't think that's the way we need to go. So if you can turn left here. You're good, just keep going. Yep. Slow, because there's a big rock in front of you. Hold on, there's a big rock in front of you. That's what I want to see. Yeah, you're good. Your right's going to climb. You're good. Okay, now you're going to drop off of this. And then just pull up in here and sit there for a minute.
Okay.
And we'll figure out.
This side?
Just straight up into here. And we'll figure out where we're going to go next. ropes are awesome.
Yep. Remember back in the day we used chains.
I know.
Worried about them snapping. And
Nope. There we go. We made it. We're back at water tanks. That wasn't a super tough trail. Milt's Mile Lite. There were a couple spots where you could take some really hard stuff. There was one spot I couldn't make it up unless I really wanted to gun it, and I didn't want to. But yeah, it was a fun trail. Nice and mostly relaxing. And now I think we're gonna go maybe go jump in the lake, cool off.